Alright, time to wrap things up by outlining the best practices for data visualization. Number 1, always answer the 3 key questions to choose the right visual. So that's, what type of data are you working with, what do you want to communicate, and who is the end user and what do they need. Number 2, do not prioritize variety over effectiveness. Always choose chart types based on how clearly they communicate the story that you're trying to tell. Number 3, eliminate clutter and noise to facilitate understanding. Just remember the quote, right? Perfection is achieved not when there's nothing more to add, but when there's nothing left to take away. And finally, number 4, focus on telling a clear story and highlighting key insights. And that means using descriptive text and formatting to create a data-driven narrative, because you don't want to leave it to the user to connect the dots themselves. And there you are. Those are your DataVis best practices.